boys and girls.
Hey, Mr. Nutso Rogers.
I'm here to talk to you today about volcano safety. Now you see, boys and girls, volcanoes are very important. They are caused by subduction zones, the plates moving, all that wonderful stuff. But I'm sure you don't understand what I'm talking about. So let's just cut to a nice music video by a unique group of fellas that I like to call Enemy of the Rabbit. And this is their song called Volcanoes. Volcanoes! They're me! The lava is so hot, it'll burn your feet! There's one volcano that's in Hawaii. The lava is so hot, it'll make you say aye! There's two volcanoes I think you should know about. When I'm done singing, it'll make you scream and shout. It's one great volcano, Krakatoa. It's in Indonesia, oh, don't you know her? It's called fire subduction zone. That's right, I said subduction, no, not a construction zone. Then two kids conserve, if one goes down, turns into lava, it comes up from the ground. Potassium permanganate. Oh, hi, boys and girls. You caught me by surprise. Now, did you like that video about volcanoes by Enemy of the Rabbit? I bet you did. Well, tune in next time when we're talking about erosion.